Question is, in the circuit diagram given in figure 12.10, actually circuit diagram is of like this: one resistance here, then other resistance here, and they are connected in parallel, right? And then after that they are connected with ammeter, and these all resistance are connected parallelly with voltmeter, right? So that we can find the voltage of this particular situation. So this is the whole circuit diagram, right? Now this is R1, second one is R2, and the third one is R3. Now values of these are given: R1 is 5, 10 and 30 ohm respectively, which have been connected to a battery. So battery voltage is V is equal to 12 volt. Now first calculate a current through each resistance. So current through each resistor, right? The total current in the circuit and the total circuit resistance, right? Now first current through each resistor, right? To from first of all, see total current in this circuit. To find that, now I am going to find uh, equivalent resistance. To find, we are having parallel resistance, so 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3, right? Simply, so 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 30, right? Now 30 is our LCM, so 30 here, 6 plus 3 plus 1, right? So is equal to 10 by 30, so that is 1 upon R, but we need to find R, so R is equal to 30 upon 10. So equivalent of all the resistance which are parallelly connected, that is 3 ohm, right? So R is equal to 3 ohm, okay? So that is our equivalent resistance, 3 ohm, right? Now, okay, now what we have to find, current which is flowing throughout the circuit. So current, to find that current value, V is equal to I into R. I is subject, V upon R. So what is V? That is 12 ohm, and R, that is 3. So 4 ampere is the current flowing through the circuit. So see, total circuit resistance done, which is 3 ohm. Total current from the circuit, it is also done, which is 3 ampere, right? Sorry, by mistake, total current which is 4 ampere, and total circuit resistance which is 3 ohm. Okay, now the current through each resistor, right? So to find that, voltage will remain same for all, right? So for first, I is equal to V upon R, right? Now V is always constant for parallel connection, so V is 12, and the resistance, first resistance, that is 5, so 12 upon 5, right? 2.4 ampere, which is flowing through the 5 ohm resistance, that is our I1. Then I2 is equal to V upon R2, right? So V is 12, what is R2? 10, so that is 1.2 ampere, and last one, I3 is equal to V upon R3. V is 12 and R3, that is 30, right? So here answer will be 0.4, right? This 0.4 is in ampere, 0.4 ampere, 1.2 ampere and 2.4 ampere, right? If you sum all this current, you will get 4 ampere current. If you sum all the currents, 2.4, 1.2, 0.4, because these are currents are uh, flowing from the respective resistance, and when they add up, we will get 4 ampere. So all currents are correct, right? So that is the answer of all the questions.